Zere heren, welcome back to Foundry. So I dumped up our gravel production because it was not fast enough. Make enough concrete for our research. But yeah, I've been mostly busy with clearing out that area for our power production. Also slowly clearing the ceiling out so we can run on the belts. Let's go to the other side. To set this up. Couldn't set this one up yet. Didn't have enough things as usual. Always running out of the should run. Oops. I should change recipe this. Now my seeds are somewhere. I accidentally outputted it. I think they're over there. I think that's all of them. Did he get it activated? Oh wait, I only outputted this. Like an idiot. And in the wrong order. That should be input, this should be output. Probably change it to output. That seems to be the wrong location. Yep. That should work. Unless I never set this up. Copy, paste, paste. That's already set up. But because of how this is set up, the moment I put this in, it generates biomass. It should output it and go to the next. Now what we're low on is water. Wrong pipe. Oh, there's a problem. Erase these for now. But also looks at the orientation. How you place them. Or how you copy them. But that should be more than enough water coming in. It's enough to keep this running. In a way, I don't want to get the water tank. I think I built one at one point. Yeah, not two tanks. see if we can actually place this underneath the platform. Let's see if I place. Oh, it says need but an output, so I could just do mass delete. And mine this off. I don't like how far this your character would just jump. Place it there. Why? Still not enough. Try this again. Stop jumping. I think it's close to impossible to actually do this. Mining efficiency unlocked. Let's see. Circuit boards, a polymer board, electronic components. We won't getting that soon. Give me mining drill speed, so it's easy to clear this stuff. Straight animation. Missing building foundation. Oh. This needs to be on the building foundation. Like this. Now that should run. Existente, so water. Oh, that's actually at the maximum amount, but now it's like a buffer. So if we at one point use more water than we can create, then it should use that for a little bit. We're completely running out. This one doesn't have a level of these inputs. How it should run. Yeah, that actually has a decent amount. Same with this. But this should lower the usage, or whatever you want to call it. How much power this is using just to run this? Probably a lot. Yeah, we can't completely use the plants as a fuel source. You need so much of it to do that. Let's see, grid stats. Yeah, it's using a megawatt of power just to run the greenhouses. So is that even viable then? Do it this way? Well, let's say you can generate way more. Yeah, that's also using a lot of our marble supply. What is it? Limestone. Probably being used up like crazy. That's still mining it. But all of these, just not keeping up the demand, at least on this line. Still seems to be fine. What I might want to do is remove the and then put this in as like a balancer. In a way I don't need it. That just shoves it to the side when necessary. Which one should prioritize? That one. Last one doesn't matter. Not really. And now it's actually using up. Now let's see the stuff. So polymer boards, the liquid polymer, elamite, so elamite to liquid polymer and waste gas. So hope that I can use that as a fuel source. But bauxite with burning stuff, ventilation column, pump jack, so a lot of steel. I have more steel than I can use, but than I'm using at the moment. Nope. This is barely keeping up, even now. Yeah, this one light is not getting enough resources. More miners. I want to place them here. Get even more resources too. I don't need to. It doesn't have the full range. And we're still expanding our base and my mining operations, even though. Yeah, probably should prioritize the deeper mining thing. And this was fine for a while because you use way less. But we also use this for our steel production. That's why it's a problem. So it feels like it's way slower now. Yeah, it might be hitting the edge where it can mine. On the next one, I'm probably gonna prioritize unreachable ore. That requires this research mining force. I'm guessing it's lower further down, so it's harder to break. What I'm guessing. Reservoir, Dolomite Reservoir, that was way bigger. Yeah, this is probably way too far out. This is a massive resource. And there's two more here. I was kind of trying to make this to an outpost because there's like most of the basic resources and an unknown. So if I make an outpost here, just transport a bunch of resources to the main base. Well, that probably means that I need to cut straight through the mountain. And that's gonna be a pain in the ass to do. Well, let's have a better way of mining. At least we're researching faster mining. Yeah, and this is not keeping up anymore. At least the gravel is full, because these machines are slow. Not the water supply at least. Yeah, we mostly just need steel. Yeah, that is not getting enough at all. Let's pick some of these up. Get one pump jack. Then we probably need a distillation column, which requires 30 steel buffs. Need way more steel production. Like way more. Let's double up on this. E and copy them over. take and then we just pull this through. Should be both outputs. Also now I set this up, it's making it to an output instead of an input. But yeah, this should up it by quite a bit. So I think I need one more column in there. Need to more smelters. I need at least one more. I can fill this up. Should be more than enough space. At least for now. Oh yeah, this is using all of it. Not even getting there. Yeah, main priority, get more resources. At least more directly to where. Still gonna upgrade this. But once we have enough to utilize it. Yeah, it's not getting there. Like we're barely making enough. This still is just gonna take a minute. I set this up? Probably not. Yep. At least back up. We need this one for the second line is running, but I don't think that's gonna be enough. I think we need a completely separate source line. Even do this. And mining speed upgrades are taking forever. I'm guessing it's because I'm not making enough research thingies. What are we low on? Oh, concrete is completely dead. That's the issue. Glass, so it should be this one. So we're low on this one. Yeah, I know why. That's the same resource, but we're using all of it just to make steel. That is the reason it's stopped. Yeah, until steel production is completely backed up, we can't do research. And it's actually backing up now. Yeah, steel is actually queuing up now. So the moment we have this full, should put all of it straight through the. So instead of making more of the blend, it will just let it go through. Yeah, it's because of the way I made this, not splitting it up. But instead it's just making all of it into steel. Isn't not something you want if you need the other resources as well. Let's get a distillation column. What I'm gonna need is go all the way up there to the Elamite reservoir. Don't go up now. Accidentally. Is that the way? I think it's all the way up there. See it in the air. So the one thing I want is get the go to the reservoir, kind of make a slope down and just cut straight through a wall. Would take a while. Taking 2 resources. Elamite. We go to this one. That is. Also one down there. Shows you as it's oil. Suck. Yeah, this is the Elamite. Not be mined. This is a liquid. Most likely. This will give me a stupid amount of stone, which I don't even know if there's a use for it. It's the research thing. Let's see. Bomb check. What does it say? Power. Max power consumption 200 kilowatts. Output 180 liters a minute. And this needs a certain station. No grid connection. So what I'm guessing, yeah, it's high power. That's like our first high power machine. I wonder if that also means that we can just go straight down or straight up. You don't need to bother with conveyors at all. Just do this. Go down. Just look at the landing location and just start mining through this. actually don't know if we can see the height. Do we have a height map somewhere I can look at? Yeah, this is gonna be an ordeal to just get it there. And also power. Well, we might be able to use the one that goes on the wall. But it might not even be a big problem. So if we do power 10 connections, connection range 45 meters. And the one I can make is... Oh, yeah, it's way bigger range. What can we make it if we get it? No, we can't. So we can't even make this if we get it. So we need to use the simple ones first. We need 10 power poles. Gonna take me a bit to tie up. Yeah, but that's it for this episode. So thank you for watching. See you in the next one.